Hey, it's Jimmy Lard, the sock snob, doing a little bit of urban gardening, sharecropping in the city. And I wanted to show you that sometimes, everything does not always come up roses. And by the way, my roses, those are climbing roses, and they only bloom once, so they're done for the year. But in either case, take a look at these tomatoes here. But the problem that I wanted to show you are my collard greens. Take a look at those. I have quite a few collards here, and some of them are have been eaten by something. So I'm going to look for some organic solutions to that. Look at this. These were giant leaves that are all gone. Now, last year I had issues with squirrels in my garden who were eating my cabbage, and I'm wondering if they're doing the same thing to my collard greens, which they are, of course, related. So these are Georgia collards. So I'm going to add more cinnamon. I have been out of town for the last week. We've also had some storms here, from what I understand. So we'll see what's going on with that. But yeah, so these are my collards, and then those are my tomatoes. And then I will take you over here, more tomatoes, to my squash plant. I've shown you this one before. Alrighty, so this is a container, a 5-gallon container. And as you can see, we have lots and lots and lots of little crooked neck squash. We also have some green zucchini squash in here as well. So as you can see, it's all pruned out, still healthy. You don't see any mildew or mold. So this is a good plant, and it is doing well. All right, that's all I got for you. Ciao.